Okay guys, today I'm going to open my Dell G5 laptop and going to upgrade it with the Samsung NVMe M2 SSD 2 TB. So let's get to the work. So for that I ordered a Xool tool just for this purpose. It is really awesome. 18 in 1 pieces. Everything is magnet, right? So we have everything what we need. So basically we need this tool, right? And we're gonna need this one, and we have tool, right? We're going to need this one, and which one is that? This one. This one. Okay, let's get to work. This one. So let's put it in back. This is all magnet. That's so smooth and nice for electronic stuff. Right, let me show my Samsung SSD. So this is it. We have Samsung SSD. Right? I'm going to keep it here. Of course, I'm going to open this. Let's get to work. So just screw these things up. And we have magnet, and keep those here. Right. These 4 screws does not come out, so you can keep it like that. Right, double check. Double check with this sound, like you hear like tick tick when it is fully screwed out. See, and get this one. Simply put here. You can see this, right? There's line and keep going. Keep going down and carefully to this side, right, and take it this side. And flip these things out, right, and then we should be able to open this. All right, be careful. This is the monitor. This is the so I can show you. So this is the SSD, and this is the second SSD port, right? Second SSD port. This is old SSD, and this is the DIMM2 RAM 1 here, and cooling fans. Okay, so let's turn that place a bit. Right, first unplug the battery. Before you do anything, unplug the battery. Okay, battery unplugged. Carefully. Okay. Nice. Now you just need to plug the SSD here and screw them. So the one important thing, the screws are not coming with the SSD. This is Samsung EVO 97 EVO Plus SSD, right? So you need to order them separately, like $3. Okay. So it says first remove this section and this section. So let's try it, because I need to see how this is actually fit here. This act like a card. So one more thing, when we go here, it says that this drive dashboard and this drive is firmware some sort of issue, and install Samsung NVMe drive. So I think that's it. So Microsoft, let's install. So guys, I fixed the issues for some extent. I came across some forums and they did this, right? So I have given the link to the forum here. We need to change some settings in BIOS. So first we need to go to safe mode, right? Go to command prompt and run it as admin and type this. So when you reboot, you will enter to safe mode. When you reboot, press in Dell, it is F12, and go to BIOS. and go to SATA configuration when you get the BIOS menu, right? And then you will find something AHCI and RAID. So default you will automatically tick in RAID, change it to AHCI, right? Apply and exit, and you will reboot and you will enter to safe mode. To quit from the safe boot, go to command prompt, right, and type this code and enter, then reboot again. When you might go to BIOS menu and to do some scans, let it done, and then it automatically come to normal Windows. So then you turn on your Magician with SSD 97 EVO will look like this, right? And you can see your SSD here. Okay, so that's it. See you next time.